If you think dogs only know how to lie around, wag their tails, and beg for food, this video will completely change your mind. Because dogs aren't just man's best friend, they're co-workers, heroes, and even life-saving doctors today. Dimomind invites you to explore the incredible world of 15 amazing jobs dogs do alongside humans, professions few people know about, but that have earned the world's admiration. Let's begin. In the world of crime, sometimes even the most advanced technology must step aside. For a nose, that's the canine. Police dogs train like real special agents. With a sense of smell 10,000 times stronger than humans, they can detect explosives in cars, sniff out drugs hidden in luggage, or track a suspect using nothing but an abandoned glove. Each canine has its own record, trained for years, and works with only one police officer, their partner and best friend. When they retire, they don't go back to the kennel, they go home, to live the rest of their days with the one who once went into danger beside them. A famous saying among police officers: "If I can't smell the criminal, my dog will." Whenever someone goes missing in the forest, police don't call helicopters, they call dogs. A shirt, a shoe, just a trace of scent is enough for them to follow the trail for miles. In Japan, a search dog once found a lost boy in the woods within 3 hours, thanks to just a handkerchief. They work through rain, mud, mountains, and stop only when the job is done. Famous breeds include the Bloodhound, the world's best detective nose, and the German Shepherd. Known for strength and loyalty, these dogs can't speak, but every step they take says, "Don't worry, I'll find them." When earthquakes, building collapses, or avalanches strike, the first ones to rush in aren't humans, but rescue dogs. They're trained to detect breathing, heartbeats, or even the faint scent of human life buried under tons of rubble. In Switzerland, the Saint Bernard became legendary, carrying a small wooden barrel around its neck and saving thousands lost in the Alps. A small dog, but carrying humanity's greatest hope. As rescuers often say, if we can't find you, our dogs will. For the visually impaired, every step outside can be a challenge, but with a guide dog beside them, the world becomes easier. These dogs memorize routes, know how to avoid obstacles, stop at red lights, and even block their owner when a car approaches. They don't just guide, they give back independence and confidence. In Japan, guide dogs train for 2 years, and only about 1 in 10 pass, showing how difficult this job truly is. They're not just eyes, they're wings that help humans fly through the darkness. A doorbell, a fire alarm, a baby crying. These ordinary sounds are things the hearing impaired cannot hear. But hearing dogs can, and they alert their owners by touching their leg, or gently tugging their sleeve. In the US, small breeds like Cocker Spaniels or toy poodles are popular, quick, agile, and gentle. Every time they run up to their owner, the owner's eyes light up because through them, the world has sound again. Believe it or not, some dogs can switch on lights, pull wheelchairs, open doors, or even fetch a phone. These are service dogs, perfect assistants who quietly help people live independently. Some are trained to help those with PTSD, waking them from nightmares or stopping self-harm behaviors. Their greatest strength isn't muscle, it's empathy. It may sound unbelievable, but hospitals in the UK, Japan, and the US now use dogs to detect diseases. Some can identify lung cancer through breath or sense an epileptic seizure minutes before it happens. One famous case in the UK tells of a woman with diabetes. Her dog would bark and pull her sleeve when her blood sugar dropped. Thanks to that, she's never fainted again. Scientists don't fully understand how, but clearly, dogs can sense changes in the human body. Maybe that's a bond beyond words. When people suffer from depression, anxiety, or fear, medicine isn't always enough. That's when a therapy dog walks in, calm, gentle, and simply present. They help patients relax, smile again, and feel loved. In Japan, Some schools even let students hug therapy dogs before exams to reduce stress. They don't need to say anything, just being there makes the world peaceful again. On the battlefield, military dogs are heroes without armor. They detect bombs, lead troops through forests, and protect soldiers. Many have been awarded medals. And when they fall, they're buried alongside their comrades. If you've ever seen a cute golden dog walking with officers at the airport, don't be fooled. That's actually a special security agent with a nose sharper than any scanner. These airport dogs are trained to detect drugs, explosives, smuggled animals, and even banned foods. They don't just smell, they analyze scent particles in the air, separating each trace among thousands of suitcases. A small beagle at Sydney Airport once stunned officers by finding a dangerous snake egg hidden in a traveler's bag every day. These super sniffers inspect hundreds of bags, never complaining, never missing a thing. If humans have X-ray scanners, then dogs are nature's miraculous scent detectors. Leaving behind the noisy airports, we head to peaceful green meadows, where the wind whispers and hundreds of sheep graze calmly. Among them works a special manager. Not human, but an incredibly intelligent sheepdog. The most famous is the Border Collie. Called the four-legged genius of the animal world, they understand over 200 words and commands. And with just a look, they know what their owner wants. One whistle and the whole flock moves in perfect order. No whips, no shouting, just trust and understanding through the eyes. In many European farms, these dogs are considered the soul of the land. Without them, the sheep would scatter in chaos. And finally, we meet the heroes of the sea, water rescue dogs. The Newfoundland breed stands out, huge, strong, and fearless, with webbed feet, waterproof fur, and unmatched swimming power. When they see someone drowning, they leap into the waves, grab a sleeve or buoy, and pull the person to safety. An adult Newfoundland can tow two adults or even a small boat. In Italy, sea rescue teams include entire dog units, saving hundreds of lives every year. They fear no storm, no wave. They only know someone needs help. And they go from sky to land to sea, wherever humans go. Dogs are there too, working, saving, and bringing hope to our world.
And that was 13 incredible jobs dogs are doing alongside humans, from saving lives, protecting people, to bringing joy and hope. They're not just pets, they're friends, heroes, and sometimes little miracles in everyday life. What do you think? Are there other amazing jobs dogs could do? Share your thoughts in the comments, because the world of dogs still holds countless wonders waiting to be discovered. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Dimomind to keep exploring the fascinating world of animals with us.